Okay, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2. This is testing the Nikon D7100 DSLR camera with the H1Zoom mic attached and plugged into the mic input in the camera. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to unplug the H1Zoom mic recorder and see how that sounds. Check. Okay. Alright, so this is how it sounds on the Nikon D7100 with just the camera audio pickup without the H1Zoom mic plugged in to the camera. Okay, and so this I just have a stereo cable plugged in to the Nikon D7100, and as you can see, what we used to do was match up the audio wirelessly from this, not plugged into anything, and then match it to the video, and so now we have the ability to connect right to the camera's audio. So pretty cool.